We're in today with the GT 740. This is a 2014 video card from EVGA. It's got 2 GB of VRAM DDR3 running at 1059 MHz on the core clock, 667 MHz on the memory clock, 128 bits bus width, and today we're gonna pair it up with this E5-2699V4 with 22 cores and 22 threads with hyper-threading disabled. This is a video card, and the best thing we can do for it is just jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with Fortnite on 720p. I got performance mode here with this video card. I got 80% fan power in order to keep this video card on this temperature. That's actually good because I put everything on automated. Not bad, you know, but I wish I had more on the performance because it's a 740 and it's not a high-end video card. But regardless, I like the performance. I went straight up with 720p because I knew what I'm going to get. I got 100% load on the video card score, not a single hiccup here with the frame time. You can actually see it's holding a little on the frame time. 80 FPS on average. The MS is not that bad. It's actually decent in this case. I'm actually surprised on the temperature side how it's performing, so there is no problem on using this video card. It doesn't use an external power supply, one unit of a video card, you know. It's very slim, efficient. If you put the right resolution and the right details, you can actually see the game is doing fantastic. 188 watts consumption from this computer with this CPU and this whole computer, you know. The whole computer is utilizing only this amount of water, so can say nothing bad about it because it's delivering a great performance here. So I will say that it's good options if you're interested on DirectX 11 games, and in this case it shows you that 720p it's actually ideal. 720p because in some cases you manage to see that it dropped below 60 fps, and that's not okay. You need the constant 60 fps in some situations. Yes, baby! Slap him! Yeah! It was you! It was you! It was you! GTA 5, 720p. I got DirectX 10 in this situation because I want to max out this video card's performance. Single player, it's focused about the GPU. Multiplayer, online, it's about the CPU and the GPU at the same time. But in this situation, I want to see the best this video card can do. I put automated fan speed on the video card so I can get the best temperature. I don't want to butcher it because even though it's a small video card, it's from EVGA, you know, and this idea of having a slim 1 unit video card, super small 1 unit, no external power connector, you know, I like this idea of this video card. I got 180 watts consumption from the whole computer. It's doing okay in this case with this video card and this CPU. All in all, I can say that is a decent performance. If I go online, I'm 100% sure I will get half of this performance. But in this situation with this video card, I will call it a win, and yeah, that's it. Nothing here to complain about this video card and how it's performing in GTA 5. Now I got 48 degrees. The fan is doing the job on being cooling this small video card. In this situation, you can actually see that the video card it's holding pretty well on 720p. I got like 50 fps on average. Not the best performance this video card can offer, but if I want more, I can adjust the render scale and or I can put a lower resolution. But this is 720p. I think 1024 will be okay, you know, with the video card. I think it will pass over 60 fps. The only thing I can see it maybe 50% render scale and using 1080p, then you will get a higher resolution with lower render scale, but I don't really like that. 720p without modifying the render scale, for me it's much better. I don't know, it feels more retro-ish, and I don't butcher the video card in this case. I like it like this with 720p. War Thunder, hear me out. 720p be minimal, unfortunately, in order to get over 60 FPS. But with minimal, it feels like performance mode in Fortnite or legacy GPU in Crossout. By the way, we need to jump in Crossout because that is a game for a video card like this. In this situation, you can see in War Thunder with minimal details, I get 1.3 gig of VRAM utilized. That's actually good considering what video card I have, you know. It's got 2 gig of VRAM, so 1.3, it's actually fantastic. It's above. Oh, yeah. No, he's there. He's there behind the water. Plonker. Oh, yeah, come. 5 artillery rain fire. Apparently I got 1.5 gig of VRAM utilized here with this video card. It's loading up this core, but it's doing the job. This is what matters here. 99% load on the core, 83% fan speed in order to give me this 51 degrees. Not bad, you know, from a video card like this. So I set up the game with 720p in Battlefield, 720p with low details. I got good performance here. Let's take my number one toy in this game. Someday it's gonna be my lucky day. You're gonna come down by my bullet. Oh, he's so close. he gives me hope. What the oh, he's so close. He gave me hope that I can actually do it. Oh, that would have been so nice. Regardless, I got 720p with medium details here, and he's doing a fantastic job. I'm just mesmerized about the sound of the tank, and I have no problem on actually pushing this video card in a gameplay like this. I mean, Battlefield 3, it's good in this case. 181 watts consumption. Not a single sweat from this video card, you know, even though it's 100% loaded on the core, temperature wise is good. I love it. Give me turbo. I press shift and it gives me turbo. How about if we're jumping in Dota 2 with this video card? I got 720p with maximum details. Look at this. Holy smoke, 32 FPS. Oh my god. Oh, Tral, you're dying. Oh, no. Dude, he managed to survive. Look at him. All jokes aside, in this situation with this video card on 720p with maximum details, I got like 30-40 FPS. Not okay, just wanted to see if this game is able to utilize this video card's performance. I got 100% load on the core, 1.7 gig of VRAM utilized here, so I will say not a good performance. But I got a lot of options because this is maximum details. So in this situation, yeah, I can lower some details and actually play the game. I didn't put it on minimal, I just put it on low details to see if it's working really nice. But in this situation, you can actually see it's capable of delivering some nice FPS. But it was a team fight, and in this situation, the FPS was kind of low. But I think that if you move outside the team fight, you're gonna get over 60 FPS. This is minimal details. I got over 100 FPS. I want to see if I go in a fight, how it's going to perform. In this case, you can see that the video card doesn't have any problems. Still 700 megabytes of VRAM utilization, maximum core load, and only 79% fan speed in order to deliver this temperature. In 49 degrees, doesn't have any problems. What do you think about Warframe? 720p, low details, is doing the job. Look at this, looks okay-ish. Not actually bad here. One thing I noticed, I had over 200 watts consumption from this computer. I think it's gonna be capable of actually taking this computer to the maximum. Let's see if we can actually play the game properly here. Oh yeah, it's working really nice. Doing the job. I like the performance. No, I like it. I like this performance this video card is offering here. 1.5 gig of VRAM utilized. Even if it's low quality, doesn't matter. It's still doing the job in this case. I got 45 FPS. I think I have to lower the resolution in this case, because the moment I see enemies around, you see I smack them all over. Yeah, nah, it's got a lot of, can actually see it's barely holding 60 FPS. It doesn't matter. See, 52 degrees. That means the GPU is utilized. If we're jumping in Farlight with this video card on 720p, which is smooth preset, that is performance mode in this case, you're gonna see that I got over 100 FPS and 1 gig of VRAM utilization. Not bad considering what game I have and what performance I can get from a video card like this. You know, it's actually good to see battle royale games in this situation for a video card like this. You know, Fortnite was doing, I wanted to, PUBG doesn't work really nice, and it's like an insult for this video card. Yeah, the lower those resolution are gonna get even worse performance than this. I think Farlight and Fortnite and games like this are the one that needs to be put in a situation like this, you know, with hundreds of FPS, because they are fantastic, you know. I don't want to butcher their performance, so I think this is nice. Like I said, I need to jump into Crossout with this video card and see how it's running with 720p. Guess what? I got 40-50 FPS. Not as bad as it sounds, but it looks horrible. This is actually a very interesting performance because it's only using only 1 gig of VRAM. Maximum load on the core of the video card, so there's no problem on saying that it's not being utilized. It is utilized, and it's a definitely interesting performance. I'm in the garage now, and I don't have a lot of load, but I think if I'm joining now on online with players, it's gonna be a totally different performance. In the garage, I had 1 gig of VRAM utilized. Straight out of the barrel, I got 1.2 gig. This is actually good in order to see how the video card is performing. I like it. 8.9 gig of system RAM utilized. Actually good performance from the computer itself. It's not being stressed in this case, but it's holding pretty well, you know. I like this computer, how it's holding in Crossout. It's doing very well with multiple cores. Do I recommend a video card like this in Crossout? Yes, apparently it's working really nice. 182 watts consumption, so all in all I can say it did a fantastic job there. The overall performance was great. I like this idea of this video card. One unit video cards doesn't use external power supply. It doesn't use anything in the back, you know. You just stick it in the PCI Express, you know, and it works. I love those cards. If they are not consuming 2 units, it's even better. You know, it's got a small fan, but you managed to see today that I managed to do a custom profile, and the fan was actually on point with the video card, 50 degrees, you know. Now the question is it worth putting it into a small form factor computer? Yes, this is the whole point, you know, because it allows you to restore some very dodgy machines, small computer, all kinds of weird machines that gives you the opportunity to give them purpose, you know. If you can restore them, make some money, sell them, give it to somebody, this is the right video card to put in those computers. And I like it. I like this type of video card, and I recommend it. Ideal would be to have 1 or 2 of them spares, just in case you are that guy who, can you fix my computer? Can you look at it? Can you make me a cheap computer? Can you make me... You're that guy, you know? Then you need to have 1 or 2 like this on the side. All jokes aside, I love it. I recommend it, you know. I managed to see today that is working really nice in a couple of games that are not very demanding when it comes to GPUs and CPUs. It did very well. I'm 100% sure you can play other older titles, you know, because if you put some old games with this video card, it will be even better on experience. But if you're not interested on that and you want to play some games online, managed to see today that he did a fantastic job. All in all, I like it. You have to put the right resolution, you have to lower the details, and it can do the job. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.